You are looking at $10,492 made in just 30 days. And I didn't run a single ad, no paid traffic, no fancy website, just smart strategy, free tools, and simple posts that anyone can copy. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how I did it using the Amazon affiliate program. You will see the exact traffic source I used, how I picked the right products, and how the money started coming in while I was asleep. And the best part, you don't need a big following and you can start today with zero budget. So if you are tired of wasting time on strategies that don't work, stick around. This one might change everything. I made this commission in the last month, okay? In the month of June. And this is my commissions, this is my accounts, guys. This is my Amazon affiliates account. This is my commissions summary here and bounties over here. So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliates program using free traffic, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I will share a lot of methods, advanced methods that will help you to earn your first commissions as a beginner with free traffic with no ads. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you guys need to create an affiliate account with like this one with Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Step number one, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this, and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to click on sign up. The sign up process is super easy and of course it's for free. You will be in this page. Click over here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name, email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. And that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. You can start this Amazon affiliate program from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and so on. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one. This will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. Okay, you should see your commissions here, summary, and bounties over here. Okay, so anyway, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting with free traffic. Okay, so how we can choose good products, I will share with you guys the best niche, a profitable niche that you can start with.
This video is sponsored by PRBoost.io, the go-to PR platform for brands that want instant authority, credibility, and media. PR Boost gets you published on Yahoo, Business Insider, Benzinga, and 200+ sites, no PR agency needed. Trust building angle. If you run a website, you need a PR package. Adding As Seen On badges builds instant trust and skyrockets conversions. Ease, support booking, no contracts, no monthly fees. You get fast support and can even book a call with their team to plan your campaign. Social proof rated 4.9 on reviews.io with hundreds of happy clients. Click the link in the description, prboost.io. Get featured, get trusted, get results.
So what you will do next, you will go back to Amazon. Go to Amazon.com. Open Amazon.com website. Open Amazon website like this. Okay. What you will do next, you will click on the search bar over here and search for beauty. This niche is crazy and I'll share with you the proof. I'll share with you why this niche is a gold mine if you want to start earning commissions fast. Okay, you should start with this niche. Okay, there is a lot of other niches, but this one is a profitable niche that you guys can start with as a beginner. Search for beauty, because beauty product, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon. Okay, and people are paying so much money for those products. So search for beauty, scroll down, and you will find a lot of products here. And this is the proof. You guys can see here, numbers don't lie. Okay, you can see, for example, you can see this products here. You see this one? Look how many people paid for this products in the past month. Over 100k people paid for this products in the past month. Over 100k sales for this products in the past month. That's crazy. It's working. People are buying those products, guys. Okay, for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, you don't need to create those products. You just need to copy paste. Just start promoting. Join Amazon as an affiliate marketer and start promoting those products on social media. Okay, and you can make a lot of money with this. Look at this one here. Over 30,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Look at this one. 60,000. If I scroll more, like those products are getting crazy sales. Look at this one, 60,000, 100K people. This one, that's really crazy. So let's choose one of these products. For example, I'm gonna pick this one. I think this one is a good one. Of course, this one is a good. Okay, getting crazy sales just in the past month. This product is for almost $22. Okay, so I will choose this one. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you guys want to promote as an Amazon affiliate marketer. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Okay, what you need to do next, we need a content. We need to make content. We need a video that we will use to promote this product. Okay, so pay close attention, because I'm gonna share with you a smart way that people are charging for. I'm gonna share it with you for free here. Okay, here is what I will do. I will copy the name of this product like this, and what I will do, I will go to TikTok. Go and open your TikTok account like this. Okay, and click here on the search and search for this product. Okay, search for this product like this. Pay close attention. Here you go. You will find a lot of people here, a lot of creators that are sharing this product, and they are talking about this product and how this product is will help those people who have this problem solve this problem, as you can see here. Anyway, so for me, what I need is I need a good video. So for example, you see it's the same products. Okay, we just need to search for the good one. So for example, I think like this one is a good one. Okay, let me go back to Amazon to make sure. Grass and sale. Okay, this is the product. You should find the same products. Okay, the same products on TikTok. Okay, you will find it because a lot of people are making videos about this product, like this one. You see this one? Let me show you. It's the same. It's like this one. Okay, this one here. We can even scroll more down and you can find more. You see here? Here is another one. I can scroll more. Here is another one here. You see? Which is really good. So you have videos. So what you need to do next, you need to download one of those videos. Let me choose one of those videos. For example, okay, let me see. Okay, we have a lot of videos here. So for you guys, take time, and also guys, please try different videos. So if you want to promote, for example, this product, you will not use just one video. Try at least up to 5 videos. You are not creating those videos. You just need to, you will find those videos here on TikTok. So for example, I'm gonna pick this one to show you. I will click on the video. I will stop this video. What you will do, you will copy the link of this video. Pay close attention. Copy the link of this video. Go to Google, search for download TikTok videos. Search for this keyword, and you should see this website, Snaptech. Click on this website here. Put the link of this TikTok video here. Click on download over here, and here you go. You will find the video here. Click again on download. Can you click on close this one? And here you go. Your video will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you will do next, what we will do to get free traffic is we will use, guys, Pinterest. Okay, go and open Pinterest account. Of course, please open a business account for free. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. That's it. They will ask you, do you want to create business accounts or personal accounts? Choose business account. It's better. Okay, you can also use personal accounts, but if you choose business account, it's gonna be better. What you will do next, this will be your home page. Click here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and here you go. You will see this page. Click here and upload the video that you download from TikTok. Okay, this one, you see I have the video. I will click on open. Okay, so you will ask, do you have permission to use this video? Okay, what you will do, guys, is you should give credit to this creator in your Pinterest description. If you give credit to this creator, you are fine. Okay, you will not have any problems. Okay, so what I will do, we need a title. So what I will do to create a good title for my pins to rank and use a good SEO for my pins so I can get clicks. It's very important. You will go back to this Amazon product page. You will copy this title and you will go back to go to ChatGPT. Okay, we will use AI and ask ChatGPT, turn this Amazon product title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO. And I will put my title here. If you are not using ChatGPT, you are wasting your time, and you are wasting a lot of time and effort. Okay, you should start using ChatGPT. And here you go. Here is an SEO optimized Pinterest pin title based on your Amazon product. You see this? We have a good title. Why this works? Keyword reach. And that's really crazy. I will just need to copy and paste. I will copy this, go back to Pinterest, put this title here. Okay, so this title is too much long. So, okay, I will copy this message. If you have like this problem, you can copy this, go to ChatGPT. The pin said so ChatGPT will fix this. And here you go. Okay, now it's good. I will copy this one now. Copy, go back to Pinterest, delete this one, and let's put this one. You see, now it's fine. We need description. I will first, guys, I will go back to TikTok. This is the creator. Okay, I will ask ChatGPT, create a pin description to and include the credit. And here you go. You see this chart of dark change, perfect pins, perfect for safe chain, video buy and featured in his. Okay, and here you go. This is his video. Okay, we got credit to this creator. I will copy this description. So you have this part, guys, is very important. Okay, so make sure to give credit to any creator that you are copying his videos. Okay, and that's it. You need to put your Amazon affiliate link here. Okay, go back to this Amazon product page. To get your affiliate link, you will see this. You should see this option, get link. Click on get link. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product that you can promote to earn commission. Go back to Pinterest and put this link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, you can click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. You need tags. You guys can go to ChatGPT and ask him, give me tags too. Use AI, use ChatGPT, please. Okay, here is the niche, here is the keyword that will help your pin to rank. Okay, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. So you have the idea, and I hope it's clear. Okay, so once you finish, you will click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate products or affiliate links on Pinterest, guys. Okay, it's super easy. You don't need to create videos. You can find videos on TikTok. Okay, you can try different videos and your video will be published like this. Also, guys, this is your website. If people click here on visit site, they will be directly in this Amazon product page. If they buy this product from you, you earn a commission. Okay, try different videos for each product, at least 5 videos. Also, always make sure to check your Pinterest data. Check which videos are getting a lot of clicks, which products are getting a lot of clicks. Pins that are getting a lot of clicks, you need to keep promoting more pins, more products like those who are getting a lot of clicks. Okay, avoid what's not working and double what's working. So the idea is clear. That's how you can make money. You cannot also use just Pinterest. Also, Pinterest has a lot of traffic. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. People are promoting a lot of products using Pinterest, promoting digital products, services, physical products, and more. And Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Pinterest is also a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. You can also use Instagram Reels, and you can also use YouTube Shorts. That's what I'm using. Also, guys, by the way, I do have an affiliate marketing course for Amazon. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me and I will share with you more details. You will also get direct support from me and my team. We will guide you step by step until you understand everything. You will get access to all our profitable product that we are promoting, how we create our own content to promote those products on YouTube and Pinterest, and which products are profitable, and so much more. Feel free to reach out to me if you are interested. Also, this method, guys, is working. You can start with this method as a beginner. A lot of people are making crazy commissions with those methods that I'm sharing for free in my YouTube channel. I'm getting a lot of emails from people asking me for those methods that I'm sharing for free. Of course, you are welcome, guys, and I will still share more methods if you are interested. Comment Amazon affiliate marketing in this video, and I will make new video and share with you guys new method, new platform that you can use to promote Amazon affiliate products or affiliate links using free traffic on social media. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.